This nursing timesheet is an all-in-one tracker to track your time worked, your pay, your mileage, and even your documentation of any notes while you were there. I'm going to show you how this sheet works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel. You can buy it on my website at savvyandthriving.com. So here we go. Let's do a sample. So let's come in here and put the date. We have a place for the file number and the client's name. And then you can put the type of visit that you're going to have, whether or not it's home or telehealth or anything else. If there's a unit that you're going into, and what task you're doing. And then what time did you get there? And then what time did you leave? If you took a break during that time, in minutes, you can put that and it will calculate your total hours. And then you can put your hourly rate here. And then if you worked overtime hours during that time, you can do that. So if you worked 1 hour of overtime, and then you can put in your rate as well. The pay will include the total hours you worked. If you've worked 1 hour of overtime, it will tell you, hey, I've worked 7.08 hours of regular time at this regular pay, and then 1 hour of this higher rate, and it will calculate for you. You can put in your mileage that you drove. And if you need to sign off, you can do that. And then if you have to have a supervisor sign, you can do that as well. And then you can put notes. If you wanted to drag this to the right, you can make this longer so that you can type in, detailed notes here. So it's a super simple sheet to use. This is also going to calculate your total miles for the whole sheet, your total hours worked, your total pay earned, and the number of visits that you've done. Thanks so much for watching my video. Let me know if you have questions. Feel free to take a look at my website. There's tons of sheets that can help you organize your home, your business, and anything else. So feel free to take a look around and let me know if you have questions. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day.